after we pop perform over here, we're gonna be over here right next door to ABC stores. There's some CDs. If you like what you guys hear, they have some CDs available inside of ABC store, and I'll be over there signing and greeting. If you guys into that kind of thing. If not, then fine. Which one? Ni hao. Okay. Since we're wearing the lace, yeah. Earlier this year, I released an album that was songs consisting from the island of Hawaii only, and it's a start of a collection of CDs that will be tailored specifically to each island. So we just released one for Big Island, and in later of this year, in September, we'll be releasing another CD for the island of Niihau. And of course, all mele for the island of Niihau. So we're gonna do this request with that in mind and do a song that was penned by the late Auntie Abby Polea. Goes a little something like this. Ferdinand, find out of me how.